At least 274 prisoners inside the Karachi Central Jail have recovered from coronavirus, an official said on Sunday. According to the jail superintendent, at least 90 prisoners tested negative for the virus today, a few weeks after testing positive. So far, 894 prisoners and 11 employees have so far tested positive for the virus at the Karachi Central Jail. The virus has so far claimed 2,647 lives in Pakistan. According to the provincial health departments, Asad Umar, the federal minister for planning and development, said Sunday that if the current situation continues, then the total number of coronavirus cases can jump to 300,000 by the end of June.